Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. Working on me, blog queen, fitness movement coach, self-care. She's doing a lot of stuff in this video, so thanks Queen for uploading this for us. Let's get into it, Petty Fam. Like, comment, or subscribe.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Hard to hear the who. Ooh. He's like, oh, I'm doing something different for this video. I usually like try to get my videos done all in one day, but I don't really have like that much stuff to do today. There's a huge dragonfly in front of my windshield. I don't want to get out. Like I said, I usually do a vlog and try to complete it like in one day, but I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna just take you guys through this week, to be honest. So this is Monday. I'm starting back the gym today with Corey. Y'all know I always have my little gym journeys, like when I am.
Well, see, I appreciate that because you are being very motivational to a lot of people, especially during COVID. It's like it's hard to go out there to make yourself go places in public places, to keep your routine. You know, so many things have changed. So that's great. Yay, let's get into it.
Consistent. I probably go Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but my schedule is going to change up because like I told you guys before, I'm starting movement classes to get prepared for like my future shows and tour and stuff. So that will start on Wednesday. So I was going to bring you guys along for a little bit of that just so y'all don't see everything. But yeah, I'm about to go in this gym now because I'm already late because the GPS took me 15 minutes out. Let's go, y'all. Let's go work out. And
I hate when that happens. You're planning to go somewhere, you got it all planned out, and then something stupid like a GPS messed up. But go Queen. Let's watch her work out. Wow, she's doing it well. She's keeping her form. Okay.
yo, this is only the second workout. I got 4 more. And I'm already feeling crazy. That's what happens when you don't come to the gym in 3 weeks.
It's hard to work out on that mask too, so kudos.
Ooh, I gotta stop that.
I think like heavy. Oh, them leg sprints, boy. Whew.
35 seconds. Planks, 4 sets.
20, 1, 2,
Wait.
4, 5. Come on, last 10. Come on, 10.
I hate a plank, boy. Whew.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good.
Good job.
I fucking got my stomach too riled up. Yo, I started working out around 11:30. I'm literally getting out at 1:08. That's because I really took my time getting out. I didn't just finish my workout, but I really stayed at the gym afterwards because I wasn't feeling good. Like I wasn't feeling ready to drive yet. Super dizzy.
Oh yeah, poor thing. I'm proud of you though, especially pushing through where you don't feel well.
And my stomach was just nauseous. I was scared I was gonna throw up. But I got me a meal replacement. Usually like while I'm working out, I don't eat anything in the morning before I go to the gym because I guess you lose more calories faster when you don't eat. But I get a meal replacement after and it has protein in it. So this is a banana with golden Oreos in it, and it's so freaking good. They do new meal replacements all the time. But I'm gonna have that and then go check them.
Okay, all right. So meal replacements with golden Oreos.
Mail. So come on, you guys, let's go. So y'all, I'm about to go pick up my packages. So I got packages. Y'all hear my song playing? You can stay till the morning. Cause you ain't never. So I had to move. I got me a shirt. Yes. Another t-shirt. Another t-shirt. Smell good. I'm about to go to Lee's house because there I can work on my logo for my loungewear line. Cause she has a print shop there. And then I'm gonna bring my swimsuits from Icon Swim so I can do my brand deal at her pool because I don't have a pool. I literally came all the way over to Lee's house to go to the pool to take pictures in the swimsuit for my brand deal. And
what happened, girl?
it's literally like raining. Y'all can't see the rain, but look at the clouds. It's so cloudy. So that was a fail. Now I gotta go through almost an hour of traffic for no reason. Yeah, that's the way life goes.
Wow. I mean, seriously. She lived that far away from Lee, and it's rain like heck out there.
The GPS took me the wrong way again, but I'm finally here to go get my kids, so about to go get my kids. Let's look at CJ. Oh, look. He's like, Mommy! Hi, CJ. You ready to go home? Look at Legend, y'all.
Hey, Legend.
You okay, baby?
Why he cry when he see her? Is he mad to leave or he mad that she been gone that long? Oh.
Let's go home. Leggy, how are you? CJ, sit on back, sit back in that seat. Why don't you got on your seat belt? It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Way yeah, way yeah, way yeah, way yeah. Now there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Do peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with the baseball.
He like that song. He's so cute. Look at you, saw you trying to dance, y'all.
And I break it down and freeze. Break it down to your knees. Oh, my breath. Legend is coming, I promise.
He is so impatient. CJ's my friend, though. How's CJ doing? Where's CJ at? Will he get his peanut butter already? And he eating because he grown, you know. We don't need to be babied about stuff, but he just milking it, though. You see, Legend? He like, I need my stuff and I need it now, woman.
They come home from school, they automatically want snacks and a peanut butter jelly. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna make dinner, y'all.
He said, I got a timer. Like, you gotta give me my food. I'm growing. CJ over there being good.
Here, take a bite.
Oh, so good.
See, that worked. He was just hangry.
So good. Yummy, yum.
Here, CJ. So this is what I'm about to eat. I have to choose between two of them.
Okay, I see you with the healthy meal.
I either get garlic shrimp and garlic string beans, or well, this is like a taco bowl, but trust me, the rice is so good and the meat is good. I warm it up and it has like pico de gallo and stuff I put in it, and cheese and all of that. I don't know, y'all. Y'all gotta help me.
My name is Dora. Will you help me choose what to eat? Should I choose the shrimp on the left or the ground beef on the right? Thank you for helping me. I'm going to choose the ground beef.
I'm about to make some salmon croquettes, one of my favorites. Clarence is coming back from Miami today. It was a one-day trip because he had to do some of his teeth or fix it or whatever. So, yeah, guys. I'm cooking y'all some dinner.
Okay, so she gonna give us a cooking show too. I mean, wow, she doing it all.
I'm cooking y'all some dinner. If you guys do not know how to make salmon patties and you wish to do so, get you a can of pink salmon like this or another brand. Some breadcrumbs. What the heck was that in my throat? Some breadcrumbs, an egg, and I season with adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Also got some diced onions and some diced green peppers. So yeah, let me show y'all how y'all do it real quick. So first we are going to take our adobo and we're going to season it like so. Take the black pepper, season it like so. And yeah, just twist it. Yep, keep it twisted. Yep, twist it.
Now we're gonna take our garlic powder and we're gonna, you know, sizzle, 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 shift. Onion powder the same. Put the onions in there. Oh yeah, the green peppers, can't forget those. Now we're gonna bust that egg wide open. Bust it wide open. Oh yeah.
Bust it wide open. Oh yeah. Would you put something else in there, like some cayenne pepper, or like, I don't know if that tastes good with the salmon though, but lemon pepper salmon, I probably would try that. Yeah, that'd probably be good. Lemon croquet.
Take some gloves. Don't want to get your hands dirty. Now mix, 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 mix. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Oh yeah. Keep on mixing. Now we're going to take our breadcrumbs, about 1 cup right there, like so, like yeah. And pour it on over into the salmon mix. Grind it up, babe, and make you some balls. Grind it up like that, like so, yeah. Make a patty. There you go. Make it, make it.
And y'all, I put some wax paper down on the counter and I just put them into little patties. And I'm gonna fry them in oil soon, but I'm gonna let them sit a little bit because I want them to be fresh. So y'all, definitely forgot some stuff for the meal. So we had to run to the grocery store. We almost out of here.
That kills me. You gotta go and get groceries in the middle of cooking, you know? And then she gotta load up the kids. She gotta get the kids stuff while you're there, you know? So, I mean, wow. That's crazy. But hopefully her dinner comes out nice. We'll see.
Here and then y'all going to get baths for school tomorrow. Get your hands off of there. Stop, stop, stop. Hey, let it off.
They just see something.
Let it off. Biscuits, salmon patties. They just came out, and they real good. And white rice. Yeah. And I always do sugar and butter. So good, y'all.
Oh, this sugar.
Now, am I gonna eat this? No.
I think she's gonna eat a few though. I mean, it's so hard cooking for somebody else while you're trying to eat different way. But I think she could get a couple of those salmon things. The croquets, like that's so hard. But she's doing well.
Okay, just maybe a little. Y'all, the kids ate and they are ready to get in bed. It's a little past their bedtime actually, because their bedtime is 9, but it's like 9:30 something. Come on, no, Legend, come on. Come on. Let's go upstairs. Come on, up we go. Let's go to bed. I can't wait to redesign your room. No, Legend, no toys. Time to get in bed. Lay down. Lay down, go to sleep.
Did you see our video where we was talking about what she was talking about, how she was gonna redesign it? It's gonna look nice. I'm excited to see it.
Sleep.
Guys.
Go to sleep, Dada. Go to sleep, CJ. Oh, you got ketchup on you. Happy Tuesday, y'all. It's day 2. What is wrong? Why is my camera so bright? It's day
2. Day 2. What you think she gonna do today? What hasn't she done, man? She said Wednesday was the line dance. I mean, the dance thing, the movement coach. So, I don't know. I guess maybe self-care today, huh? You think so? Let's get into it.
Day 2 of my week vlog. I'm about to go get a wax because this is...
What the hell?
Gotta go. We got to go. My wax lady told me that she was still eating breakfast, so she told me to feel free to stop at Chick-fil-A. So I'm trying to eat healthy. Last night I had me a little bit of rice. I had 3 salmon patties and I had 1 biscuit. I probably shouldn't have ate the biscuit. The salmon patties were fine because that's like more so protein. It was just a little bit breadcrumbs, but I can't lie. I snuck that biscuit, but it's all good. I was trying to find me a Starbucks so I could have some oatmeal. This morning after I dropped the kids off to school, I had me like a egg white bite. It comes with 2 and I only ate 1. I had me a little mango refresher. Those are so good. If y'all get the refreshers from Starbucks, comment down below what kind you get because like I literally love the mango dragon fruit one. I am a little hungry. Maybe I'll try to find me a little... Is that a Starbucks? Oh no, that's Nux Hoagies.
Don't you hate when they don't have enough of what you're looking for? You'll find everything else and then you gotta search and search and search to find the place you want to go to.
Look at me talking about something. Is that a Starbucks? The heck? Let me try to find me a Chick-fil-A or something, or a Starbucks. Let me see. I found one, y'all. Look at that. Can I have a classic oatmeal with almond milk? You can just give me the nut medley and no berries. Do you guys have the Kiwi Star Fruit Refresher right now?
No, we only have our strawberry today.
Oh, can I get a small one of that? That'll be all.
Okay, just claim your toast today. 851.
Thank you, love. Let me see.
Of course.
The classic oatmeal is 160 to 410 calories. Okay, so what makes it go from 100 something to 4 something? I wonder what it is. But I usually put almond milk and I do put the brown sugar. I can't lie about that. Well, the nuts probably make it a little, I don't know. We're gonna figure that out because I'm gonna look at these calories because I'm really not trying to go.
You gotta count those calories, girl. That's crazy. There shouldn't be that much of a difference just adding a few things.
Right. Yeah. I'm supposed to have like 1,200 a day. Okay, y'all, so let's get to the bottom of this. So the nut medley alone is 100 calories. That's not bad. The brown sugar, 50 calories. Okay. So that's 150 right there. So the almond milk, how much they put in here? Oh, they put a nice amount. So if that's 150, this should be like another 150. Why is this glowing? Oh, the steam from the, it smells so good even without the brown sugar. It's a little watery though. This is
I can't do watery oatmeal. I would send it back in a heartbeat. That's nasty. Like, you're not trying to drink it. Like, she could just sip it right now. Drink it as a smoothie or something. That's ridiculous.
a lot of milk. Let me see it. My wax lady texted me. Yeah, she did. Okay. See you guys later. Where I get waxed at. Indy up in the city. You feel me? She got the city wall. I'm about to lay my butt right there, butt naked. Wax this cooch, wax these legs, this booty. Wax everything, okay? 1, 2. Tomorrow's the day where I have my very first movement class.
Stripper class?
No, not stripper. This is my movement. I ain't gonna do a stripper class. I ain't told him that yet, but.
Okay. A movement class, and then she gonna bring a little sexiness to her routines. Okay. I see you, queen. But yeah, that movement class is gonna help with stage presence and stuff like that. You know, just to wear heels, be on back and forth, give all the audience equal attention, that kind of stuff.
Hi guys, this is my boyfriend. He's gonna be on my channel.
Hi, Miss
You mind?
She's gonna be on my channel.
He's be on my channel. You know.
How do they feel
just
about you
clout.
back vlogging?
How do they feel? I think they happy with what I'm showing. I'm showing them more so like behind the scenes of what I'm doing. But do you notice something about me? Wait, don't look at my
You have
skin.
skin care stuff on your face.
Oh, no, that's not what it is. You know, you don't notice nothing?
You did your eyebrows?
Ladies, why we do this? Why we make the men guess? And fellas, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that we do this, because you're like, if I guess the wrong thing, then she gonna be like, what? My stuff look bad all the time? I mean, she looked the same, but most of what she did was underneath that blanket. So, I don't know how you're supposed to guess that.
I did do my eyebrows like a couple of days ago.
You got eyelashes?
Yeah, I don't have eyelashes. Took off my eyelashes, y'all, so now I'm bald lash shit. Do I look different?
Not really.
Do I look cute still?
Yeah.
Hang on a sec. Camera. It's okay.
Nah, I still hit it.
You still hit it with no lashes?
Yeah.
Bald and all? So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Take a 2-week or 3-week break. And we about to watch Manifest, so let me...
This is where we at. Remember?
Yeah. We about to watch Manifest and try to finish it. Well, not tonight, but... Today is the day. In like 30 minutes, I'm going to be heading to my first movement class. And I'm really excited because I'm really just ready to progress. Like I told y'all in my previous vlog.
Steaming is really good for y'all skin. It's always a good thing to do.
I wasn't perfecting my, I don't want to say craft anymore, because for some reason this morning, I don't know why, but I searched up craft, like the meaning of craft, and deceiving others. I really do. Like, I really have to stop just working on the side of my face. I need this to go away before my music video shoot on Thursday. It looks worse on camera, to be honest, but that's life, y'all. I'm a human being. This is what happens. I'm about to give you guys a little sneak peek of something I was working on in the studio, but I trashed it. It was like the first day I went back to LA, and I think it's mediocre. But my A&R, he want me to finish it though, so tell me what you guys think. Just a sneak peek, y'all. It's called Tricking. I don't know. This ain't my kind of song, but
She got it. We just gonna create her own world. We're gonna bring you guys into
I can't
Queen's
dance,
world.
and they know
Let me
it.
tell them. You know what? It's not about half of these people can't dance until they get in here with me, and you guys won't even know what's happening. You could be so into the damn show.
For
We'll get
real?
it popping. You just watch. We got this.
well, can we
We
just
got
do
this.
movement first? Because I can't do choreography just yet.
I don't think it's so much dancing. You're not. I don't buy a Queen Naija ticket to see Queen dance. I see.
Right.
I come to hear her sing, but I want a show. So there's elements that you can add to make it a show without you dancing. Right? It's
Yeah.
more about movement, commanding, like you said, the crowd's attention, making them focus in on you, feeling confident, moving confident.
Maybe a good set background, maybe a couple of
Yeah.
dancers, all of that, the
Production.
smoke,
Yep.
Yeah.
Production,
all of that
all
is
of
like
that.
adds in.
I think that dancers is cool, but you and some beasts that can sing, it's gonna remind you of church on your songs, and they sing it and they amp you up, and you look back there, it's a different type of connection because you're a real singer. I feel like it'll bring something else out of you on stage, and they're gonna hype you
I've
up.
never had background singing.
I think that background singers that can move and live singers,
Like
anybody,
move, yeah, okay. Background singers with movement.
background singers that can move. And if you want dance, I feel like dance should come
Should
with
be with different
award
shows.
shows,
Yeah,
a video.
yeah, but tour like maybe.
You and that band and some singers, I would sit there and watch you sing because I know that you're gonna get lost in them songs. I know it.
Yeah.
We have to bring them into your world. If your eyes are closed, you have
That's a good point though, because you know that's a different element than she's had in her show before, and then they'll push each other like you said, so they'll hit a note and she'll hit a note, and they'll just feed off each other, so she don't feel like has to carry the whole show, So that's a great idea.
to bring them to what you see behind those eyes when they're closed. That's the key for you, because when you close your eyes, it's a disconnect, and they don't know what's really going on. You know what I mean? They just know that you're lost in your own song. I want to relate that out this way.
Yeah. You don't want to keep it all to yourself, and closing your eyes makes us feel that way. At least when I look at other people, I'm like, they just up there singing, maybe they're nervous, but, when you actually make good eye contact and you bring us in, to your emotions and to your song, that's a great thing.
That's what we have to figure out. I'm trying. No, we're going to get it. We're going to fucking get it. If it's in there, it goes, diggy, 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 do. That, right before that first lyric. What is that?
So does it depend on what leg you use most?
No matter. Diggy, 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 do. Oh, diggy, 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 do. Turn that hip that way.
Give a little hip, pop your hip, girl. Ow, ow, ow.
Do. Okay. And turn. You almost want to send that. Yes, that. Boom. And that's the and it's a cocky thing because here it go up. Then yes, you can then start up, then you can go right into it.
Okay.
Then come to that.
Ticket.
Yes.
That's funny.
We in this thing. Boom. And stop. Like I think you should move.
So.
Stop. Then you dance a little bit. Right there you boom. Yeah, walk.
Why Lee move? Lee being petty, y'all. Lee moved up, he slid to the camera. She's like, let me get to the other side of the room because I don't need you being extra just because I'm here. I want unsolicited, unexpected information on the camera. The vlog is a real vlog. So you got to give me the real versus trying to be all in the camera. Thank you, sir.
Oh my God, we probably look like this.
Look like people from Whoville.
Hard to hear the who. Ooh.
One more time.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Together, that's in my room. I want to show you guys. But look what came in the mail, y'all. Oh well, y'all can't even see it. I'm about to open it. Hold on, watch me open it. Look at y'all. Y'all know how I got the orange one? It's so pretty.
So you think somebody painted that, like she commissioned it, or somebody gifted it to her? Comment below.
What's your favorite song from the Deluxe? Yeah, I know, you know what I'm saying? Better promote that. Legend, I don't know if you know, but this is mommy's room. I have your own room. Who's that?
Mama and Dada.
Mama and Dada.
Butterfly.
Butterflies. Look, you guys. The light is so cool. The light is right here in the grass. Is actually gonna be the same color as this purple right here. It's purple. You can't really see it, but look it. I can change so I can do. Ooh, red. Green.
That reminds me of the basement, y'all. When Claire was in the basement and he had the little light color show. The boom boom room. Wow, I mean, it's so good to see how they brought it
Green. Blue. Orange. Look it, it's so cute. It's coming together. Oh my God. Wow. I never ended up ending my vlog last night. I'm just gonna stop it here because this is a video shoot, so I can't show much because it's not mine. It's like a featured video shoot. I'm with Lee. Say hi to my manager, y'all. Why don't you smile?
I did smile.
Oh,
You didn't see the
okay.
dimples?
Oh, okay, I see it. But anyway, y'all, I'm heading there to get glam done. Put some lashes on because that's really why I took them off. One, I needed a break, but two, it's like I wanted to have fresh lashes for the shoot.
Probably could get some footage.
Some footage?
Yeah, just not of the video.
Well,
parts.
yeah, we're actually gonna save that for the next video because I feel like I gave y'all a lot in this video. So if you guys really liked this, I guess half week kind of vlog, let me know and I'll start doing more of these instead of like the daily ones, so y'all can see more things.
What do y'all think? Y'all like the half week? I think I liked it.
What's happening? Peace out and make sure y'all stream Misunderstood, and that is it. That is all. Peace out.
All right, bye, queen.